Wuzheng, the leader of Chinese tricycle industry, began to produce three-wheeled trucks from 1980s, which has created a huge user group for more than 6 million, and its production and sales ranked first in the industry for many years. After 30 years of development, Wuzheng Tricycle has formed more than 400 varieties, including three major categories: handle type, semi-closed type, and closed type. The closed type covers series of Aoxiang, Lingyu, Aofu, and so on. The semi-closed type has series of Aoxiang, Xiangyunhu, Xiaoruihu, and others. The engineering dumper contains prime cab series of Xiaoyinghu, Xiangyunhu, and others. The exported tricycles have series of compartment tricycles, construction vehicles, sanitation tricycles, stake vehicles, utility vehicles, and others. The special vehicles include tank tricycles, hybrid vehicles, and orchard vehicles. Aoxiang Closed Series is the benchmarking product in this field, with excellent results. Its main features include the digital design cab, full modeled body parts, double ceiling doors, integral front wall, unitary side wall, non-float flume design, monolithic crystal headlamps with popular lens structure, streamlined dashboard, molding floor cushion, and top mat, and elegant interiors with comfortable driving feelings. Wuzheng multifunctional tricycles can be installed with corn threshing machine, water pump, infusion pump, generators, and other multifunctional accessories. All functions can be achieved by the vehicle's engine power with using convenience. It is a good helper for the users. The yield of corn threshing machine can reach 1,200 kilograms per hour. The rated flow of pump assembly can be 22 cubic meters per hour. The suction amount of spray pump is 14 liters per minute, and synchronous alternating current generator has rated power of 5 kilowatts. Wuzheng mobile vending car adopts Aoxiang cab, multi-cylinder engine, and 2.6 meter of mobile vending box. The interior space can display various shelves, which is convenient for users to sell goods shifting between city and countryside. Wuzheng engineering dumper adopts Aoxiang cab with large lifting angle. The body's lifting limit position is vertical with frame. With rapid lifting and complete tipping, the max ground clearance is convenient for cargo transportation. Wuzheng stake vehicles, developed from Aoxiang series, can be used for goods and animals transportation. Wuzheng installation vehicles adopts Aoxiang 1600 model with 1.5 cab, multi-cylinder engine, truck gearbox, and rear axle, high-strengthened steel frame. The polyurethane foam board, adopted installation material, is suitable for transporting various frozen products.